Ya sanibonani wengane sakuthi gijimani kiniphuthumela le iKZN podcast, my channel, your channel, our channel, you know this channel is la lalelani ke. The gloves are off. Today we're speaking about Dudu Zuma Sambudla, a daughter of President Jacob Zuma, who is a member of parliament and also a co-founding party of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Asilalanga ke namhlanje uyasizwa nje siyahoshoza because uDudu usevele wavuka wakhoza enakavukanga ulale cause ihavoki shothi mayelala manje ngoba thina sesivukile lapha ku Twitter, on X, used to be called Twitter. Yo kumbabheketwana kubheke phezulu baphathi beke MK abalalanga bayavuka bayalala bayabhala bayacisha bayatweeta because of lendo dakazeka Zuma. I think uDudu understand where she's coming from. MK party belong to his dirt. Awulalele la ngizoqhubeka.
The interpretation of the comrade who's sitting here that I'm standing next to, this one, this one, this one, this one. You don't know. They're politicians and politicians. This comrade I've known from when he was very young in the ANC Youth League. That's when I picked him up that he is a real politician. His politics, which I defy as scientific politics. He takes decisions at the right time for good reasons. This comrade will come to the books of history. He had done something that many would not do because his politics is scientific. And that's why even his action has become a big issue. Because it is a scientific issue. Proper scientific. To say we are closer to our liberation. Let us join together to reach there so that we can have this country in peace.
Hayike kwangazuthi ke wasiyathatha ku Floyd wazojoyina iqembu le MK, kwangazuthi wonke umuntu uyajabula ke wazob SG nange nomzobe lapha ya naye khona wajemanike nje impela abajoyinile MK esibala bona nje ubuso impela ofuqavile kwase kuba khona ke namahlebezo ukuthi hey man uFloyd Shivambu ngazuthi abatholane noDudu Zuma, kodwa ke kwakona ukuthi phela uDudu Zuma wathi hayi no thina singemuva kwenkokheli nomzobe naye wabhala wathi musana ukuzama ukuxabanisa uDudu uyamsupporta uFloyd. Hayi ke izolo sesilele sezwe nje uFloyd ethi ebhala ugeli ethi Floyd, I'm not scared of you, wena nalama minions akho lawa ngicela watshela ukuthi nihlukane nami noma fika izolo thina we are the original members and the original members of Umkhonto weSizwe. We founded this party kusukela kudala, therefore wena sicela ukuthi usuke asafuna ukukhulu. Hayi bo guys sathi sakulinde lokho wathi uDudu wasebenzisa FU word wathi FU wena Floyd ungalingijwayeli kabi kwashoka cima wathi meqeda lapho wathi yes I know ukuthi nizohamba lihambe lizong-expela but ukusalayo anginandaba. I've said my part wena Floyd angikusabi nalabo mafikizolo bakho. In fact you know what hayibo abantu bagijima kwathi hayi no man uDudu uhekiwe khona uheka uDudu account yathi wathi uhekiwe ngithe F word wena akho umuntu ongihekile lana wathi bathonjani wathi ngiyakutshela wathi uDudu the worst thing that ever happened la ku MK ukuthi ukuthathwe le ntontoni leli venda lila lapha yana. Guys we don't know what triggered Ududu to actually say those things, but ekhanda lakhe feels, or she believes, the fact ukuthi Floyd came in, you know, to destroy iqembu lakubo. Now remember, there are things that are currently happening. Floyd, you know, naye phela kayinomuntu ilento yakhe le. Floyd guys u-SG of the party, usho ukuthi imali ziphethwe yena, uDudu akanayo access eyimalini. Akuthiwa njengoba defikile nje ade benomgubho lapha eMosmabhida kuspendwe 22 million, and uma ngabe bebebheka uDudu ababone imali ukuthi yenzakaleni. I think as iphathi yababakhe ufila some type of way ukuthi, you know, after kade belwe kangakabelwa noJabu yonke lento, sekhona umunye umuntu osefika futhi ozodestroy. Njengamanje kuthiwa komhlaba iyalingana le koKZN further down, ama-members of the MK awakhokheliwe, and bathi futhi ama-region awanikezwanga imali. Kuthiwa apparently per region or per municipality la bekhona they get about 200,000, and then they pay ama-salaries abasebenzi. Kuthiwa since uLloyd efikile, uFloyd efikile, sebe decide akazakhokhela abantu ngoba yini office lakhe likhipha imali lihambe liyonikeza abani ama-branches la ama-branch awakhokheliwe. Abantu abaningi imndeni yabo ayikwazi ukuthi idle because there is no money. Dudu is not happy about those things. Dudu feels affected ukuthi Floyd came in there negroup yakhe abodalite ambo kanye bonke laba ukuzodla imali, even though emthanda kudali ngoba phela uhlezi ba always been there for her dirt in terms of enkantolo yonke lento umkhonzile ngalokho, but other than that uFloyd akamfuni futhi akamfuna akayenzenzisi. Belokho khona kamahlebenzi kodwa there was nothing tangible was coming from Dudu's side because she was silent. She posted wathi hayi ba right, but you could see and you could tell the fact ukuthi nah, something is not right. So as it stands, i-MK party ke isikhophile incwadi ke yayibhala khona ebusuku yathi umkhonto wesizwe party statement on the ex post of MK member Commander Dudu Zuma. The Umkhonto wesizwe party acknowledges the received public post made by MK member Commander Dudu Zuma. These posts are very insulting towards the Secretary General of Umkhonto wesizwe party and a direct violation of the party disciplinary code of conduct. Such actions are not acceptable, and they are very offensive. They undermine the principles of unity, respect, and discipline that are fundamental for the values of Umkhonto wesizwe party. In response, the president of Umkhonto wesizwe, President Jacob Zuma, has issued the following directives. Commander Dudu Zuma must issue an unconditional public apology to the Secretary General, the President, members, supporters of Umkhonto wesizwe, and all the people of South Africa. She must also extend formal apologies to all structures that serves in all leaders, including Southern Caucus of the Parliament, Pan-African Parliament. These apologies must be made immediately. Following this, an internal disciplinary process will be initiated in accordance with Umkhonto wesizwe party code of conduct. Failure to do so or failure to comply with this directive will result to immediate of her being expelled from the party, determination of a commander to do Zuma's membership in Umkhonto wesizwe party, and recall from all party responsibilities. Umkhonto wesizwe serves as a party movement of the people, grounded in a maximum discipline and strict to the disciplinary code of conduct. No member, regarding of their position, is above Umkhonto wesizwe law. So ngamafuba basududu bacela avuke manje njengoba sesivukile nathi, axolise kuFloyd, axolise kuPresident Jacob Zuma babo wakhe, axolise kuSouth Africa, axolise nakuma-members of Umkhonto wesizwe, abhale nencwadi. Uma kunganjalo bazomseka out kwi-Pan-African njengoba lapha i-member parliament bamxoshe kubeni nina ngixosha umuntu wephathini yababo wakhe, kanti lento emaphathi njani nina nekujula simale manje ngiyabona umuntu ufake iqala into yakhe bese niyafika nina nimphuce nithi andlala ngodudu, but ke zimabheketwana kumkhonto wesizwe, we just woke up, we yet to see or to know. But then again isiza ngani apology ngoba phela ududu usho akufila ngaphakathi, angaxolisa kodwa aphinda athi fuck you Lord. But anyway, thank you for watching.
Socialism.